Hey everyone, welcome back. So in the last video we collected a lot of research and honestly they are all messy. So today we'll clean up that mess and find real insights using a method called Affinity Mapping. Don't worry, it's just organizing these sticky notes. And I have got a good news for you all that our YouTube family has grown into 800 subscribers. Thank you all for trusting in me and believing in me in this journey. So let's grow together, and without any further delay, we'll jump into today's topic. Why affinity mapping? When you do interviews or surveys, you get tons of information. One person says one thing, another person says another thing, and someone else says totally unexpected. So if you try to remember all of these, your brain will explode for sure. So this is where affinity mapping helps. Affinity mapping is grouping similar observations together so that you can see patterns. It's like telling your brain, relax, I'll organize this mess for you. So how to do it? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step number 1, write every observation on a sticky note. In our case, the research notes might be, forms are too long. I always forget event dates. I prefer QR code registration. No proper event updates. Hard to find event details. Put each point on a separate sticky note. No filtering, no judging. Just dumping everything in the stage. Step number 2. Start grouping similar notes. Now look at your notes and start grouping them if you feel related. Don't overthink it. If 2 things feel similar, put them in the same group. Some examples could be registration issues, information not clear, reminder or communication problems, navigation confusion. Step number 3. Identify patterns to insights. Trust me, this is the magical part. Once everything is grouped, you will start seeing patterns naturally. When students say things like, the forms are too long, I prefer QR code registration, the registration process is confusing. All these may look like random complaints at first, but when you start grouping them, you will realize that all these are pointing towards the same problem. They are all talking about one core issue, which is registration is not simple. So from these observations, you don't just repeat what users said, you interpret it. You find the deeper meaning behind what they said, and that's your insight. So the insight here becomes students want a faster, simpler and more effortless way to register for events. See how clean that is? One single insight summarizes multiple scattered comments. This is the difference between observations and insights. Observations are the raw statements, what users said or what they did. Insights are your understanding, which you arrive from their statements into meaningful conclusions which guide your design. So in simple words, observations are what they tell you. Insights are your understanding from what they said. Once you get this part right, your design decisions become a lot more stronger and user focused. And that's it. Affinity mapping is organizing your chaos into clarity. So in the next video, with these insights, we'll create a user persona and an empathy map. See you there. Stay tuned.